Today we are discussing about what is MEP and who is MEP engineer.
What is MEP? Full form of MEP is mechanical, electrical and plumbing. MEP engineering is an integral part of construction field. MEP stands for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. These are the three aspects linked to every construction project that includes design and construction and deal with the setup, functioning, and maintenance of the three major elements of construction projects. The acronym MEP became an integral word of a building project in the Middle East Gulf region in 2000. In the inception stage of MEP, there was the involvement of only two engineering branches, mechanical and electrical, and now it included electronics, instrumentation, and communication. M for mechanical works. In MEP, significant works are to be handled by mechanical system. Mechanical systems most commonly relate to heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Other important mechanical works are firefighting works that include piping, sprinklers and pumps. They can also connect to transportation systems such as lifts and escalators, elements of infrastructure, industrial plants and machinery. E for electrical works. Electrical works mainly included electrical power and lighting, but others like transformer substations, emergency power, UPS, central battery, voice, data communication, TV, security systems like CCTV surveillance system, access control system, public address system, building management system, fire alarm system, aircraft warning lights, traffic barrier, and lightning protection system. P for plumbing works. Plumbing refers to any system that allows the movement of fluids, typically involving pipes, valves, plumbing fixtures, tanks, pumps and other apparatus. Like mechanical and electrical installations, plumbing requires laying out complex piping routes, and engineering firms widely use MEP design software to simplify the process. Plumbing systems might be used for domestic water supply, cold water and hot water system, drinking water, drainage, sewerage systems, water recovery and treatment systems, rainwater, surface, and subsurface water drainage and fuel gas piping. Who is MEP engineer? The MEP engineer is the most crucial part of any construction project, without which construction project could not complete. There is a specialist who works as an MEP engineer or consultant. To carry out all the related MEP works, these people are responsible for overall mechanical, electrical, and plumbing works. The main task of the MEP engineer is to work on the MEP design to complete the MEP works for the time in any construction projects. MEP engineer should be having mechanical or electrical university degree in engineering and experience with working knowledge of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, as well as detailed understanding of the contract documents, phasing plans, MEP systems interrelationships, construction sequencing and project schedule.